Alright, amurebe witu wakore Media TV wasebota barirota nibigenda bitakuruka Christmas by the way tugari switch katete kandi result no show ya man munonga abwa every na bitane result no Roy Charles tipo nabanda bakuza kubana ba performing tonight kandi aha nona ashandira radio personalities abantu kama MC Aizo Aiza
after school day wasa
baramutse abantu bakurisiye na Christmas
mazumba abantu mwena mwebale kubasa kubanduka na kurukuru kugira ngo nomanya ekintu beadini anga yakuteka mu miso mazuma no ni kusima
mazima
so kama I'm like I appreciate be in this very day kana nchini ni mshawa mama
yana rukumsa
nataka kuota headshot mamangu Christmas ndio na wakonda banyarwanda bari dobe ndimo bari promoting music ya western bayita jazz muri kechi kumbura wewe bari kushinga
yonjera ndare radio personal
legend takile na kama mnogo media hata ni korana na 87.8 so yinju mnogo kukora yo ndiko zabigamba taito that's why they're not pushing and you man. By the way, you guys are doing well.
Thank you. Because actually, to know this guy, is my, but to myself to give you a brother. But this guy has been there for me, and I've been there for him. So, Beavi, thank you very much. Shanga Utrika, Alin Suits. Mtwitwa guy chinga.
Ati, there is not Christmas. Sunday not in your program. So
ndio weekend ndio Christmas
wacha kukanga huko barana
ndio za maifa ni ndio mukaba ndio za maifa katika nishura moto kwa shura ndio hapo mchitende
wizo mu Christmas ati just like aruchi ndicyo kukora ndagambira kaba kutureba bagize bawo abantu bawo mukano nkore Media asa tumeja mura ya ayo kwa so no basa kubagambira mu baherezeka advice ninga arobana abakwegomba kuzo Media ati cyo tukabara
actually message yo kwanda kubanza za message iza kwenda nayo kwegomba kuzo Media yenda kubaza kugamba ahabesho aba muzi
ashobora barashobora
abana mabindi muno abandi binji
tunemu mwana kako go studio yakoresha urucha kama mbege amanya mugana nayo sanjire akore na masa na darabi
one hit
tishiti bitubakishira amanya
abo bana kugavi so uri mwesho kuzokare mu inde mwene ukumera amapapa tikumanya where you are going abo kuba hope is kumara kumera amapapa na nyugizo wanje ni tossing space izo bane mukaro mwana kwijo kareba ijayemo bitre kabana kaba megaton bayo megaton ine micu abana nabita besho nubiya ko kumwana ko bakombe nubiya ko timbo bona nobda nubiya ko kuchaza chaza bizi yabo kuzakura bakaba humble nanesha chaza na shona ya chaza iteza rafiki ya WhatsApp why lokuja kwa kifasaje but actually fuasa na washo za kando kaza kunama kwa
kaza kumeyama
you know not in fact
let me tell you there are certain of things that you command Tamzo Media. You know, you can be good charity, you can be with a chance, talent, na money. Even kaba, let's say like big guys kaba ruggedy, you know, I'm in the city about investing, but who are you? Exactly, Rashi.
I'm a just ikotukiza twasanga muri Media mbatu bamabena uri kura na okana just Mike dade bamusyo goji achemezi restemeya nabandi umkategori abona abantu inspire tuje tuzenga Media right now turi ni kintu kandi tuhatorone twinabanda batani cyo tusinja message bakuda inspire so nchereka ngo tunakoze icyo tujere ni ine bitukoza kongera iwe ngo turo Media itwitwa abahereza kujana batere basi noreba kuchere kongera mu experience rero kwegomba kujamo akora
media noreba media na yoni kisho everything you learn uzoba ngire cyo wahenga so wa wijam kugeza ho kuba perfect atakama kajazi iwe jeza ho kumutera cyo yati ho kuba kugeza ho kugire cyo wahenga yaba ari kajazi ngire cyo wahenga bachenga robi ya kuzamuzinda iwe kigire cyo wahenga kama ko becho ngo ndakupira bakatanga ko style
abari bakumana bajana akora kajazi
iwe ngire cyo wahenga ngo atiwe gendo atiwe cyuzi atiwe kora kitera hiyo ataho karuza bravo
ibyo cyane ko abana batero bato o maybe kore cy'ibintu
Because I think kanga communication which means one more first you know who you are. Is Mbarara growing? Can you grow with Mbarara? Get it? To hear are insults. Get it? But what is tomorrow? Wait. Because you are interviewing me now. But do you think we got other platforms as the person interviewing? But it's because tumempe mjero wewe just like kana boraha na hata nachukua raha. What is information and what can I do make it push it higher? So atuelewa kama shida in media. I think you have been talking to this everywhere. But I think but there are things, every money can done. Ni kare ngwa just kafumizi. Ni kare ngwa biazi kaparachi. Kafumizi. So now actually in Western, like you say, in Western we need na mnonga kwa cha artist chichi media personalities area. But why is that way you what's that problem is that?
Just kununua ndio ndio tuna media tunaweka station kuna yote hivi ndio utakutengwa ndio baraja ikawa sasa tunikuja tukatana kwa online television ikole media tunakutika hivi na bana kukano kwa vitu kwa bana ikole media ni bana kandi tusijaye hivi ine chukubitaro ine chukubasa kubanza bitaro media kujango abantu nabo basafuna cyane ine chukumanisa abati kubiri kitaro babo
ichabane no kulitinza content y'amashozi mwame ndinga content kama nimaza kushoza amashozi zeje kandi kiriyaba za kato waje kukashanga hati waza kutera benzina ino tira another ndizo wona wena nazo kuraba chacha kama na baki ndinga kupata target you to look shoot katika college.
But I think apparently
my last lesson DM modele happy Merry Christmas na timu yona abesho kuzigawe cyane wande by this guy Kebo but actually guy wa DM thank you benzino webale na timu yona yona from inga page yangu kuna just my
kimani akatari uturo media industry bire ogumaka nino yaje shongoza basa kuvuga ngwao shongoza hano ni mustanika
Omega number 1 because when actually what is important Omega number 1 number 2 ball number right you know what to kuchicheza video ndio Kenya mandara spend wako pia nyingine yake ni mambo kule kule chini kama kuchi but Omega team ball ndio kivi kama kile sababu na trust pale sasa trust wanataka kuzaje na kama wabi so what is the name
okay thank you bro yes so nataka jirabe shows my brother listen to this one I'm Western faida za kuunga movement yenu tuicheze Omega D. Omega kuze. Tipo arakoze iki?
Akoze.
Wakasha tugomuri. No. Tunakopa. Tugabe bijya kuraho. Like Nikki game. You see?
Yeah.
It's a good game. Champion. It's a good game. And he has made it.
Thank you so much. Wanatureba ni Media TV. Beazini zidi Jose Rebo ambara na korona Mr. Threat. My guy, audio woman.
Mr. Threat. What?